San Antonio, Texas.
I'm not back.
3 masked people attempting to break in. Bolo stole a doTERRA package after telling it was out there.
No, I wanted to let you know it's out here. You're supposed to pick it up.
Can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
You've got a doTERRA package on your front door. It's pretty expensive. You need to pick it up as soon as possible if you can. Thank you. What? I can have it? All right.
You got 6 feet up there.
There was a shooting around 7:40 p.m. on 514 in the alley between 36th and Cherokee by Orange Avenue. The police have been investigating. They work overnights, and around 4:54 a.m., someone broke into their apartment. The intruder stole their camera, took some old cards from their wallet that can't be used, and locked their dog in the bathroom upstairs. The intruder went through their bedroom, moved stuff around, but didn't take anything else that they can tell besides the camera. They are filing a report with this video and photos. Does anyone recognize the person?
Yes, seriously. Oh, they got a rake. A dory like knocker rake. You can do whatever. Oh my god, I feel horrible. Oh my god.
She showed up saying to whoever was on her phone that she was doing a wellness check. They have never seen her before and think she might be casing the place. Does anyone know her? Pickup truck crash while evading Cicero police.
They got heat right here.
Meanwhile, at Cicero.
Homeless man causing problems reported to the police, but nothing has ever been done.
No.
Two men dressed in black tried to kick in their door. Luckily, the men were weak and stupid. According to the police, they were driving a white Toyota Corolla and wrecked on the corner of Taylor and Cordone. Any help is appreciated.
Reedsville, North Carolina. A neighbor shared this video after she says that someone's been taking advantage of her 85-year-old father. She put this hidden camera in his house, and she caught this lady borrowing some money from him. Apparently he has dementia, and if he loaned somebody some money, he won't even remember it. So this lady's been coming by asking him for money.
Come
Hey,
come on in. Honey.
where you been? Where you been?
I just been here.
You been doing okay?
Yeah.
Oh, I brought you a biscuit.
Oh, thank you.
You been doing okay? I thought you went to one of the kids' house.
Oh,
Yeah, I thought you had been going to one of the kids.
you're a dog baby.
Well, thank you. Who's been helping you out?
Did I give you a little?
Well, I was gonna ask you for a favor. I was gonna ask you for a favor. Can I borrow
500. You say 500.
What you doing in here? Oh, are you? I seen you got your britches out. You know it's supposed to rain, don't you?
Yeah. Good job. That's 500 on me right now.
Okay, I'm gonna peek outside.
Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We got a bike thief here. Yeah, those bike chains aren't safe. They'll just use clippers and cut them easily. Look. Rochester, New York.
This man came to their front door and started kicking it. He came back a second time to try and open the door. Please stay safe and lock your doors. Last night, this man came onto their porch to urinate on it. Then he noticed all the cameras and doubled down on the bad behavior. He was last seen walking north on 27th at State, trying to break into a few cars along the way. Any information on his identity is greatly appreciated.